Published July 6, 2022. 1. Which institution recently released Compendium of Ayush Practices to manage COVID-19? A. AIIMS. B. Ministry of Ayush. C. Niti Aayog. D. WHO. Correct answer, C. Niti Aayog. Notes: Indian government's think tank Niti Aayog released Compendium of Ayush Practices to manage COVID-19. The compendium provides information focused on practices adopted by various states and UTs of India for strengthening the country's fight against COVID-19. 2. Which institution has launched a portal named Pariksha Sangam? A. UGC. B. CBSE. C. NTA. D. IGNOU. Correct answer, B. CBSE. Notes: the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has launched a new portal named Pariksha Sangam. The portal will act as a one-stop destination for all exam-related activities, which will include term results and more. It has 3 parts: schools, Ganga; regional offices, Yamuna; and head office, Saraswati. 3. Which institution conducts OBICUS, order books, inventories and capacity utilization survey of manufacturing companies? A. DPIIT. B. FICCI. C. RBI. D. DIPAM. Correct answer, C. RBI. Notes: the Reserve Bank has launched the next round of its order books, inventories and capacity utilization survey (OBICUS) of manufacturing companies. The results of the survey provide valuable inputs for monetary policy formulation. The 58th round of the OBICUS is for April to June 2022 period. The information collected in the survey includes data on new orders received during the reference quarter, backlog of orders, pending and total inventories among others. 4. Which state UT passed bills to hike salaries by over 66% of its members? A. Kerala. B. Delhi. C. Telangana. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, B. Delhi. Notes: the Delhi Assembly passed bills to hike salaries and allowances by over 66% of its members. 5 different bills were tabled for the hike in salaries of ministers, MLAs, chief whip, speaker and deputy speaker, and leader of opposition in the assembly, which were passed by the members. 5. What is the National Consumer Helpline (NCH) in India? A. 1980. B. 1998. C. 1915. D. 1812. Show answer. Correct answer, C. 1915. Notes: the Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA) has barred hotels and restaurants from adding service charge, automatically or by default, in the food bill. The consumer may lodge a complaint on the National Consumer Helpline (NCH) 1915 or through the NCH mobile application, as per the Union Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution.